Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Genshin Impact on PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, go ahead and open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and then type in Genshin Impact. And then click on Genshin Impact from genshin.hoyoverse.com. Give that a few moments to load. Click on OK. This website uses cookies. Alright, you might need to sign up here, so go ahead and sign up. I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, after the sign up process, might take a little bit for them to send emails and verifications, but once that is done, you get to this page. And now it says, Dear Traveller, your Hoy Universe has been activated, wishing you a wonderful and colourful journey in Genshin Impact. So go ahead and click on download now. And that's downloading this download bar, so wait for that to load. I'll pause this video and then go ahead and click that. Alright, as you can see, this has been downloaded, so I'll just click on that. It'll bring up the download. Alright, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. And then I've read the agreements and that, and then click on install now. Alright, and that's how you download and install Genshin Impact on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.